Is there an optimum time to introduce a mental conflict? And the answer is no. The question is specific to the 4 kinds of conflicts. Conflict is the heart and soul of good writing. I'm going to go as far as to say that your story needs to be about warring conflicts. What somebody wants, typically a protagonist, could be a team, it could be a group. What somebody wants, longs for, and what they're willing to do to get it, versus what the other guy's willing to do to stop them from getting it. Warring goals. That's the heart of conflict, and that should be the heart and soul of your story. There are 4 kinds of conflict. Physical, someone's coming at you with a 2x4. Mental, a problem, an intellectual challenge, a word puzzle that if I don't solve it, I can't get out of the room. It could be an emotional conflict where you come home and there's a note on the kitchen counter. Sorry, I don't love you anymore. Oh, wouldn't that be awful? And a spiritual conflict, which encompasses everything from a loss of faith, a loss of confidence, a loss of self-esteem. 4 kinds of conflict that form the heart and soul of the story. Your story can revolve around one of them, 2 of them, 3, or all 4, and they can weave together if that's the story that you're writing. So the answer is no, there's no one time to introduce a mental conflict, and maybe you won't at all. If this tip had value for you, I do hope you'll like it. I hope you'll share it. Would you subscribe to the channel? That opens up features that lets us make these videos even more valuable for you. Thank you.